Hey, hi, I'm Angel. Thanks for stopping by. I just replaced the Purge Flow Solenoid on my 2008 smart car. Of course, had to get to the engine, which is fairly easy to do. You just pull up this carpet, undo the little engine cover, and then the Purge Flow Solenoid is right here. It took me a while to find it. And it took me a little bit to wrestle out the old one, which is this one. I did finally, what I figured out was to remove this side first to give me a little more leeway to pull this end, which is clipped in back behind here. I didn't want to take this line off, so you can see there is, see that blue stripe right there? That is the end. Got it put in so you can see it's got a little quick release kind of aspect. See that moving? This is the old one. So I loosened up, took off this. You have to do the same kind of thing with this green clip here and this clip, which try not to lose your little wire like I did, but it was luckily easy to find right under the car. Anyway, I took this side off first. You see it just slips off of this little bracket here. Took that side off to give me some leeway to pull that up, and then I was able to pull that off, get the old one out, put the new one in, zip zop zippity doo. We now put the cover back on, and fingers crossed that solves my check engine light problem. I had a code 0947, I think. I may be misquoting that. I will look that up and put that in the description. As always, I wish you love and lightheartedness and productive endeavors, peaceful conflict resolution. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Mostly I had a hard time finding any place that told me where that was or how to replace it, so I thought I would share it. Once I figured out how to get this blue clip on, which took me, I don't know, 20 minutes or so of wrestling to no avail to figure out to take this side off first and then give myself a little slack, and the other side came off right quick. And then do make sure that you're putting in the new one in the right direction, which leaves this blue part showing under there so that you can reach it. And also make sure that I had to do it twice because the first time I accidentally put the wire over this, or the hose, whatever that is called. It's not quite a hose, is it? I don't know. Anyway, the vapor, yeah, I guess it's a hose. Anyway, had to come under this wire so that then it can fit into the little clip that it has there to hold it all together. Clipped all this back together. It did clip on, so I'm fairly confident that it's in correctly. And I'm going to put this back together, and fingers crossed that we have no check engine light when I'm done. Anyway, let me know if you have questions or comments. Check out the description for other ways you can support me. And as always, there's your Purge Flow Solenoid. I will try to remember to put a link to that. I bought mine on Parts Geek for about $50 plus shipping. Ciao for now.